Hey, good afternoon, guys. It's Mac here from Cryptstar Staking. Today I have an exciting tutorial. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can go ahead and send all of your friends on Twitter Tezos NFTs and Tez and all sorts of goodies. Anything that you can have in your Kukai wallet, you can go ahead and send to your Twitter friends very easily, and they can just go ahead and log in, and they'll already have an address populated. So, without more to do, let's get started. Alright, so first what you want to do is you want to head over to the Kukai wallet. You can go ahead and do that. It's just wallet.kukai.app here. You can see in my browser window. You can just go ahead and hit to that, and then you see down here, it'll have a little accept button. You press that. Sorry, I already pressed it. Just accept the cookies or whatever. We all like cookies, right? And then go ahead and press the little Twitter icon here. This will ask you to authorize app. If you aren't already logged on Twitter on your browser, it's going to pop up, and you just type in your email name, your email address, or your username. You just hit authenticate, and then it'll take you to this page right here. Go ahead and hit authorize app right now, and then this will take you to your login page. So today I'm going to go ahead and look at my Twitter feed. This is my Twitter account. So let me see. Oh, Pop3. I like this guy. He used to be one of my delegators. So I'll go ahead and send him some goodies. Go ahead and copy the address right there. Then I'm just gonna head back to Kukai. So you can see here I can actually send all sorts of goodies. They have Internet Pop comics, Kalam. I got all sorts of goodies in here. So you can actually just click on this, and you can send this. I don't think I'm gonna send him this one, but you can press 1 max, and then just all you have to do is basically copy and paste. And I'm sorry, this is in Japanese. For some reason Firefox thinks I want Japanese, but I don't. Okay, but I'm not actually gonna send him that. I'm gonna send him some Tez. So you can just go ahead and paste the email right there. Press point 1, and go ahead and hit preview. Then you can go ahead and send him all of those juicy Tez. Happy birthday, Pop3. And then this pop-up's gonna pop up right now. Then you just hit authorize app, and there you go. So you can actually click on here to notify the person. And you go ahead and send that. There you go, sir. And actually, I mean, it's pretty simple. That way the person knows that you actually sent something, right? Alright, well, that's it for today's tutorial. It's pretty simple. Just log into Kukai using your Twitter account. Take the username that you want to send to. Just copy and paste. They made it really easy. It auto-populates which you're going to use Tezos domains or Twitter. It automatically populates it for you now on Kukai, so it's very simple. Hope that helped you guys. If you like the channel and you want to hear more great Tezos information, please make sure to hit the subscribe and notifications bell below, and I will see you all next time.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody go to Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.